Netflix has been talking about it for a long time, and now it is officially happening. Password sharing is coming to an end, so now you may have to pay for your own account, or there might be a workaround, which I'm going to tell you about. See, I don't share my password with anybody, although I was affected from this new password ban because I was traveling, and it made me do a two-factor authentication to log into my Netflix account at a new location, and then I had to do it every 7 days. So if you're sharing passwords, that's what is happening. If you're not in your set household, then Netflix is asking you to identify yourself either through email or by texting, which is affecting people who are sharing passwords. Now, there is a way to get around this two-factor authentication if you live in a different household from somebody. You can add on a new member to your account. If you have a standard plan, you can only add one new member. If you have a premium plan, you can add 2 new members. Each new member costs around $8, so cheaper than an actual account, but still you're going to have to be spending money, or you can do this quick little workaround that I found online. Because there is a two-factor authentication, you are going to have to receive a code to log into Netflix anytime you're outside of a household. You can send this code to your email. Now, it might be easy to just have someone forward you the code if they're on standby and you really want to get into Netflix, though that isn't always available. So you're going to want to go to your email account. You're going to want to go to settings. I'm using Gmail as an example. You're going to go to the little dial, the little settings dial, click that. And when you click that, it's going to offer you a drop down menu, and just go to email forwarding and then sign up for the custom email forwarding. From there, you can designate which email addresses are forwarded to whom. And there you go. That's it. Now, every time someone needs to authenticate, two-factor authenticate without signing up for their own Netflix account, and you still want a password share, this is the way to get around it. It's kind of annoying. In fact, it might be easier to even just add on a new account. But if there are people out there determined to not get their own Netflix account and to just password share, then this might be the way to go if you can get the initial account holder to set up this email forwarding. Well, that's it. That's all I have for this. Thanks for watching. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with Whistle Out.